In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Bitcoin Ethereum to Ethereum in Binance. So once you're on your home page, at the top left, click on the menu icon. And then you're just going to scroll down and click on More Services. Go ahead and search for Convert. So when you find it, just click on it. And then right here on From, you're going to convert from, you're just going to search for BETH. So you're going to find WBETH, that's Wrapped Bitcoin Ethereum, instead of the other, because there's an update that happened around 2023, and due to that update, we're going to be using Wrapped Bitcoin Ethereum instead of Bitcoin Ethereum. So just go ahead and click on that. And at the bottom right here, just click on the arrow down and search for Ethereum. So just click on that. And now we are ready to convert. Just enter the amount of Wrapped Bitcoin Ethereum you like to convert right here. So let's just enter 100. And we are going to see the corresponding amount in Ethereum right below here. We can also see the amount one Wrapped Bitcoin Ethereum is trading for. We can see that one Wrapped Bitcoin Ethereum is trading for 1.07028 Ethereum. So once you do this, you can just go ahead to click on preview. And if you have sufficient balance, you're going to be able to trade your Wrapped Bitcoin Ethereum to Ethereum. And then you're going to be able to do your conversion.